Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable or disable shake to minimize in Windows 11 computer. So shake to minimize, this feature allows users to minimize all open windows on their desktop by simply grabbing and shaking the little bar of any active window, and also to provide a quick way to declutter the desktop and focus a single window. Then I'll show you how to do that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first method we will do is to use the Windows settings. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type the settings and then click open. And then once you open up this Windows settings, and then at left side navigation pane, and then you need to select system, and on right side, and then you need to find and locate this multitasking settings. And then if you see already this multitasking, all you have to do is to click, and then here at multitasking, and then on how to enable or disable the settings, and then you need to select this title bar window shake, and on right side you can see this button. If you want to enable or turn on, so click this button. And then if you want to disable or turn off, and then click this button. So it's very simple, only the settings, turn on or turn off. Alright. And the other method that we're going to do is to use the edit local group policy. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run, and then pop up this run. So here in box, and then we need to type this command keyword gpedit.msc. So just type this command keyword gpedit.msc, that is one word, and then click OK. And then once you open up this local group policy editor, and the next step, so we have here computer configurations and then user configurations. So all you have to do is to select this user configurations, and then you can see now the settings, and then you need to select this administrative templates folder. So click this arrow to expand, and then you need to select this desktop. So all you have to do is to one time click this desktop folder, and then on right side panel, and then you can see this desktop settings, and then you need to find and locate this turn off arrow shake window minimize mouse gesture. So we need to modify the settings. On how to modify, so all you have to do is to select and double click, and then pop up this turn off arrow shake windows settings. So on how to enable or disable this settings, then you can see this not configured, enabled or disabled. So if you want to enable these settings, and then you need to select disabled, or if you want to disable, you need to select enable. Alright, so click this disabled. So if you disable or do not configure this policy, this window minimize and restoring gesture will apply. So same with if you want to enable, this policy applications windows will not be minimized or restored when the active windows is shaken back and forth with the mouse. And then once you modify already here, and then click apply, and then click OK. Alright, so after here, and then we need to restart. So click this start menu, and then click this restart this PC. Alright, so that's it guys on how to enable or disable shake to minimize in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.